Hey guys, today I'm going to review and demo with you these replacement meat probes for your Pit Boss smoker or grill. For a full list of compatible grills or smokers, you can go onto their website, but these are definitely compatible with the Pit Boss Pro series that I'm going to be using today. These probes will come in a 2-pack, and these have a really long cable to them. As you can see, this is stainless steel and can withstand temperatures of up to 718 degrees Fahrenheit. The probe itself can withstand temps of up to 1,000 degrees. These can accurately read the temperatures, so you are going to get the most delicious and perfect food each and every time. So let me show you guys how simple these are to use.